In this video, I will show you how you can remove the OK button from the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. From here, just tap on Lock Screen and Biometrics, and from here just enter your current lock screen PIN. Then tap on PIN. And over here, just create a new PIN which must consist of at least 6 digits. Now for example, I will create this PIN. As you enter your 6th digit, this option will appear on the screen, which says Confirm PIN without tapping OK. Just make sure you enable this option. Now for example, if I remove a single digit, let's say if I set this PIN to 5 digits, this option will disappear. So make sure you set a PIN which must consist of at least 6 digits. Now, after you enable this option, then tap on Continue and select Use Anyway. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN and select OK. Tap on OK. Now, if you go to your lock screen and if you try to unlock your phone using your PIN, you will be able to unlock your Samsung phone without tapping the OK button, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.